crazy. Whoa, how on earth has he not lost control? Whoa! Oh people, oh people. Whoa! I've just got recommended this video from Steve McRoberts, 1 subscribers. He told me to watch this video of a guy called Giorgi who drives a old school BMW E34 M5 and he drifts all across the roads, traffic, tight gaps. I'm talking like millimeters with another BMW E34, and I want to watch it. So let's jump straight to it. Let's buckle up, guys. There it is, the red one. Love the sound of BMW E34s. So this, I'm guessing, is Giorgi. Let's go. Apparently he's passed away 8 years ago. I'm not sure what the reason is, but we'll keep watching. Unbelievable. Wow. Is he just put the handbrake up? Whoa. Jeez. Oh guys, look how tight that is. I've never drove that close to cars in between. You can tell, look at his mirror. It's so close. Looks like it's on stock suspensions with how the car's bouncing. How did he pass through that? Even I'm in disbelief. Wow. It's like a movie, you know, this is. It's like transporter level, this is. Look how dusty the road is. Absolutely madness. You can hear the wheels screeching and everything. Wow. The Golf VR6 Descent 3.2. Look how close he is. Love how they got cameras all around the car. There he is. Look at that. There's the car right there. Let's see how he dodges it. Ooh! You gotta be flop. You gotta know what you're doing at that point. Look how serious he is. I love how he's not panicking. Their life's on the line, and obviously I don't condone racing in the streets, but you know, in a rush hour it's a different story. Love the sound of that. Is it a V8? V8, V10? I think it's a V8. It sounds so good. So quiet. They're revving up that car. One owner from new, yeah, old lady. Someone's sworn at home. Wow, that red one's so quick. It's crazy. Whoa, whoa. How on earth has he not lost control? Whoa! He like drifted in between the two cars. God, he's driving so fast. Oh people, oh people. Whoa! Gotta replay that again, guys. Gotta replay that again. Look how close. Look at that. Guys, I just can't do that again. So close. The way he just moves off. These M5s are rapid. They don't make cars like this anymore. Come on. Please, 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 please. Look at the way he's... Admit it, we've all been there where the police car, we all had to like sit properly and slow down. Or put the car in neutral. Look at that. 2 BMWs casually driving. You wouldn't tell they're an M5. I couldn't tell that's an M5. You know what surprises me? You see a police car. You hold your breath for a second just to attack. Please! And you start after everything from the beginning. The accent just makes it so much better. Guys, look at him drifting already. The police car was there and boom. Cavalier, Astra, Land Rover. Look at that, they're still doing it again. Look how close that was, guys. The way they drive with precision and they know what they're doing. They know how to throw the car left and right. They're judging how they drive. Because honestly, anybody in the UK was doing that. They're crashing. I know there's 2 people in America, one called Squeeze Benz and License. They do the same thing, but they call it swimming through like fast traffic. This is completely different. It's mad. Look at that. These cars got no ABS, no power steering, no like driving aid. This is pure real driver. You have to be a real driver, real experience to drive one of these. Because look at that. The torque in that car, the torque is so strong. It's actually the car is like it's bending. That was phenomenal. Let me just watch that again. Look at that. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Stuck in traffic in the UK in the morning. Come on now. Is that him doing a standstill burnout? I think that's... Look at the car scene in Russia. You don't get anything like this in the UK. Look at all the people supporting them as well. AMG Mercedes. Don't be active, we still need our tyres. Imagine saying that, that's nuts. He's holding the GoPro. Let's find out how much BMW E34s are worth. Also, I just want to see the comment section, what people said as well. Watching this in 2024 to remember the gold era of street drifting. Giorgio, rest in peace. Thanks for this masterpiece of work. It is a masterpiece, he is a driver. But I don't know how he's passed away, do you guys know? Did he pass away? Did he crash, or was he in a passenger, in a helicopter or a motorbike? I have no idea how he passed away, but I do know 2025, we're still here, Giorgi. Rest in peace. It's crazy that it's 8 years ago. Let's see. Kind of ironic that both Giorgi and Paul Walker, who both loved cars, were passionate about racing, died as passengers. There we go. Died as a passenger on their friend's cars by crashing into a tree. What's more ironic is that both of the cars were German, BMW and Porsche. Right, let's find out how much they're worth. Let's jump on eBay. Boom. BMW E34 M5. Enter. Are there any for sale? Look at that. There's none for sale. Just break. Look at that. Just for the wheels. You're talking $2 grand for the wheels. There's probably none for sale, guys. Look at that. That's not even an M5. £7,500. £5,000. £7,000. £10,000. That's not even an M5. Nice car that is though. Love a car like this. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Let's face it, we're never going to get an E34 M5. If it ever happens, if I push these videos out and for magically one comes for sale in the UK cheap price, I'd buy it. I'd do it. These are the videos that we've been inspired by back in the early 2000s. But yeah, what a crazy video. Thank you very much, Steve McRoberts, for recommending that video. If you guys got any videos for me to react to and we can share it and watch it together, drop it in the comment section down below and we'll get those. We'll pump these videos out every single day, non-stop. That's how we're rolling in the Hood Sticks Brotherhood Sticks crew. So again, if you guys enjoyed that, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.